In this video, I will show you how to set a stop loss on Trading 212. So first of all, go to this asset tab in here and then select the asset where you want to set a stop loss for. So you can just go ahead and select an individual stock, or you can select an ETF or a pie. I'm just going with this individual stock Palantir in here. So I'm going to select this. And once I click on sell, I will see this option to sell directly. And all the way at the right, I see this option stop limit. So when I click on this, I see that I can now set a stop loss limit for a number amount of shares. So just enter an amount of shares when you want to set a loss limit for. So let's say I want around this price. So after that, you need to set a stop limit, and you see this option saying set a price below the current price that converts your order to a limit order. So once you set a price in here that is lower than the current one, then your order will be a limit order when it reaches that price. And after you have done that, you also need to set a minimum price you are willing to get per share. And let's say you want to get this amount per share, then you can just go ahead and click on review order at the bottom. And this way you will set your stop loss limit. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we will see the details of this stop loss limit. And if you want to confirm, you need to click on send sell order all the way at the bottom. And that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I will see you in the next one.